we get a mega burger, dog. Right here. It's all man, right here. You got, even if you drive an hour and a half to come here to drink a burger, to eat a burger, it's worth it.
When the sun sets in Los Angeles, that's when the true spirit of Tommy's comes alive. Before In-N-Out and other late-night haunts dotted the boulevard, night owls were first drawn to the neon lights of this mom-and-pop chain, which famously popularized chili burgers throughout SoCal. But the legend of Tommy's has just as much to do with its gritty party vibe as the greasy burgers themselves. Hardcore Angelenos understand this aura, which is why I brought along two OGs, Kogi pioneer Roy Choi and radio personality Evan Kleiman, to dish about what makes Tommy's the ultimate late-night burger temple.
What's up, man?
Start this shit right now.
Hey!
So here we are.
Oh,
Legendary Los Angeles eatery, Tommy's. There's something just institutional about the one on Beverly and Rampart. This is our spot.
I mean, for me, In-N-Out didn't exist when I was growing up. Didn't come into the city of LA till I was out of college.
Right.
So for me, this was it. This was the place.
My pops brought me here, you know, so
yeah,
like
me too.
it's the first thing that I experienced as far as a burger.
Everyone thinks like, oh, you know, LA, In-N-Out. But like, if you're true to LA, if you grew up here, you know, it's a secret handshake.
Well, it's also the chili. The chili makes it a completely different experience, and it makes when you want to eat it different too.
True, and you know what's crazy about that is like, it doesn't even say it on the menu. Like, it's like, if you order a cheeseburger, a hamburger, a hot dog, it automatically comes with chili.
The consistency of it is some other bean.
It's different,
it's
right?
Like, there's like this game, Splatoon, where you shoot things and there's like the thing that comes out. The chili feels like it has that density and weight.
Right.
It has to meld.
Yeah.
It has to meld with the burger like
wet
sauce.
Wet concrete. It feels like it after you eat it, but it's worth it.
No, but
it's
usually when you've had it, you've maybe had a few.
Right, exactly.
So you need something for all that liquid refreshment.
I mean, as a restaurateur, look at all like the elements, right? Wouldn't this be like your dream restaurant if you were to open a restaurant?
Neon.
You know, like these little
like,
things.
They didn't put neon to be cool.
To me, this place is so much about the vibe.
I mean, and Tommy's family, if you hear this, we love you, but like the vibe ain't this vibe at the other spot. Vibe ain't this spot, you know?
That's LA. Well, I feel like every time I come here, especially late at night, it's like a flex, dude. Like, you have to have a fly car. Like, if you have a nice car, you at least have to give it a one try in the main parking lot, just so you're like, you know, I'm just showing off my car a little bit.
Oh, especially when you used to low ride, because I used to low ride right here. You come in at the angle.
Yeah.
Come here, and then you swoop this way, and then you swoop around like this.
This is so funny. When I was coming here, oh no, there were a lot of lowriders, but I had a VW Bug, of course. I had a VW Bug.
That's the spectrum. It's like you have a lowrider, you have a Bug.
And that's the best thing about Tommy's.
Right, that's what I mean about flexing. Right there. That's fucking Tommy's, baby.
You get how I feel?
Let's do it. The line's looking a little long.
Yeah.
That's fun.
Oh, he's holding our place right there, your brother.
Yeah, that's my brother over there.
We're gonna cut in front of you.
So let's go get some of this chili cheeseburgers, tamales.
Can't wait.
Let's go eat.
Like, they're gonna cut you out, watch. I've probably been coming to Tommy's since I was a little girl, maybe 9. I'm 25 now.
She's lying.
She's 41.
Yeah, definitely a party vibe.
Never like a dull moment when you hear it.
My name is Jonathan. Jonathan.
Faded, fresh out of the Dodger game, stand in line with everybody else, get fucked up. Oh, can I curse?
I mean, shit. Excuse my French, but
Whatever you go through, if you got some problems at home, you can come to Tommy's on a late night and get you a nice meal, right? I mean, you can't go wrong with Tommy's.
I'll have a number 2. I'm gonna add a chili tamale, no tomato, extra pickles.
I'm Bob Auerbach. I'm Tommy Kulak's stepson, the founder of Tommy's. Tommy started in this shack behind me 1946, May 15th. The chili burger is an LA tradition and did start here at Tommy's Hamburgers. When the Dodgers are winning, we're doing really well down here.
I want a cheeseburger, extra onions, and a side of chilies.
yeah, man. I mean, burgers from here, it's priceless.
Because it's original.
It really is original.
Yeah, it reminds you of your childhood. So
fresh out of a game, you come and straight get burgers and fries. They need to have beer and they'll be lit.
Your turn.
Oh, is it my turn? I'll do a regular chili cheeseburger. No tomatoes, no pickles, extra onions. Can I add extra cheese?
World famous chili burgers, to be exact.
No matter what race, religion, everybody likes Tommy's. Right, exactly.
Okay, who got the no pickles, no tomatoes?
I got it.
This one with extra onions is mine.
All right, I got the regular.
That means you're left.
So this is the absolute way to eat this. Eating at the tailgate, eating at Tommy's is the way you do this.
I've never taken one of these home.
You can't
Never.
take it home.
I've had Tommy's brought to me,
You're kidding.
but I've never brought Tommy's to anybody.
I love that. I've had Tommy's brought to me.
The flavors are amazing. The chili is unique.
It's chili jello.
Yeah, it's like almost like bolognese.
Yeah, it is almost like bolognese.
It's like a bolognese in a burger. It's not dripping. Like you can tell this is a well thought out recipe. You know what I mean?
But
You bite the tip off.
You saw what she did, right? I didn't even do that.
This, dude.
The squirt is the most important part.
This is so uniquely LA.
This is the first time I ever did it.
It's fucking genius.
That's so fun.
We have to remember that this place was founded in 1946. These kind of chilies in 1946, that was like some
They were the Carolina
serious
Reapers.
spicy shit, right?
Yeah.
The tamale, man. I've never had it before.
Yeah, I'm eating my second one right
What's
now.
the story? Like what?
This is like the first thing I really ate when I came here. My pops used to bring me here when I was little, like real little. It's something I always went back to. So at every stage of my life. I mean, the first place I came when I got my car was I came
Right
here,
here,
man.
yeah.
You know? I had a 76 Thunderbird drop to the ground. That shit, man, I cruised right over here. But the tamale was our thing. It was just a thing that me and my dad really liked.
Right.
And I had the burgers here, but like for me, I grew up on the tamales.
Word.
For me, this was like the treat after going to the dentist. So if you can stand getting a cavity filled, we'll go to Tommy's afterwards.
Oh shit. It's like a late night talk show host. Perfect segue. These are 3 tamales.
Shit, you can't hate on that.
Good, right?
You know, one thing that I think sets this place apart that I love is that you're standing up. There's something about it that's just awesome because everybody's in the same boat. When it's really busy, you're like jostling.
Right.
And it's that kind of thing where you can get into like a conversation with somebody you would normally not have a conversation with while you're in line. And
we're Californians. We don't need tables. We don't need chairs. It is what it is. We eat on our car. We eat in our car. It's a laid back California eatery.
All that, you know.
Yeah, everybody.
Yeah, it's not fucking fake. This shit's real. Thanks for hanging out with me at Tommy's.
Yeah,
2 of the best people, most knowledgeable Los Angelenos.
Look at the flexing the complex guy over here. The real estate.
Yeah, dude. You never get to park right here. Yeah.
Call your spot pumping if you got crushed ice in a styrofoam cup with the refill right. So homie, word of your mouth until the next Philippe show. I'm out on the streets looking for something to eat. Like
The Dodgers won, though. We just have to take off our jerseys because y'all made us, though.
What's up, guys? Alvin Kleiman from The Burger Show. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button. If not for me, for the burgers, please, and thank you.